Australian pull-ups are distinct from traditional pull-ups as they operate on a horizontal plane, while the latter work vertically. When performing them, it's crucial to lie beneath your chosen support with heels planted and maintain a rigid abdomen, resembling a straight plank. Your arms should be positioned slightly wider than your shoulders, using a pronated grip. As you execute the move, aim to pull yourself up without curving your back, ensuring your chest remains open throughout. For those looking to intensify the exercise, you can modify your stance, such as placing your feet on a bench. Conversely, beginners can adjust their position or angle to simplify the movement. Three, two, one. Clock push-up is an exercise in which you perform push-ups while moving your hands to various positions around your body, simulating the appearance of a clock. This exercise aims to engage different chest and core muscles. Three, two, one. The elbow bridge exercise involves positioning your elbows to the side and pressing down, aiming to lift the upper body primarily using the back muscles. While not everyone may be able to fully elevate, the focus should be on engaging the upper back and shoulders. For those finding it challenging, an elevated back position, using a bench, can offer a more accessible starting point. Proper breathing is crucial. Inhale as you lower and exhale as you press up. This technique not only strengthens the back muscles but also aids in improving exercises like pull-ups and rows. Three, two, one. Begin with an upright stance, legs hip-width apart. Step forward with one leg, bending both knees to about 90 degrees, ensuring the front thigh is parallel to the floor. The back foot's toe provides balance. Keep the front knee aligned, not extending past the foot. Proper form is essential. Three, two, one. Lay flat on a stable surface like a yoga mat, ensuring your entire back, especially the lumbar region, touches the ground. Keep your head relaxed, neck extended, and avoid straining it. Position hands by your sides or under the glutes for added support. Lift legs to form a 90-degree angle, then lower them without touching the ground, coordinating your breathing with the movement. Ensure shoulders stay grounded, and avoid arching the back to prevent lumbar strain.
3, 2, 1.